Into the entire New York City tri-state area, Tampa, Florida, FutureFM Baseline Radio. We're live in the studio right now. We want to speak with Amaziyah, the great one from Spanish Town. I mean, I tell us, big up the whole Spanish Town, the whole St. Catherine got it locked, the whole New York City, Tampa, all over the globe got it locked. You know, one and only Amaziyah the great. Welcome to FutureFM. What you doing?
Yeah, welcome in a DJ Shawn. Big up yourself. It's been over, a decade.
Decade.
But we are back and we have to big up the fandom all across the globe. Them body over support Amaziyah, the great music, films and arts. It's a pleasure to be here. It's a joy. It's an honor. No, respect.
And it's a pleasure talking to a celebrity like you and shaking a celebrity hand.
Precisely.
Because we have a shake of you from the get-to, you know.
Yeah, I don't know from Mr. Garrison, it's a greatness. It's not all crime and violence, it's a greatness.
Greatness. And greatness coming from the one, Amaziyah the great. And people, stay tuned, don't move it, because we're going to speak to Amaziyah the great. You're going to hear everything about this young man. He's doing filmmaking, he's doing music, he's writing.